Introduction to the nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle is a crucial ecological process that recycles nitrogen through the atmosphere, soil, and living organisms. Bacteria play a fundamental role in this cycle, transforming nitrogen into various forms that can be utilized by plants and other organisms. Understanding the role of bacteria in the nitrogen cycle highlights their importance in maintaining ecosystem health and soil fertility. Nitrogen fixation. One of the primary roles of bacteria in the nitrogen cycle is nitrogen fixation. Certain bacteria, known as diazotrophs, have the unique ability to convert atmospheric nitrogen, N, into ammonia, nitrogen trihydride, a form that plants can use. This process occurs in two main ways: through free-living bacteria in the soil and through symbiotic relationships with plants. For example, rhizobium bacteria form nodules on the roots of legume plants, providing them with fixed nitrogen in exchange for carbohydrates. Nitrification. Nitrification is the process by which ammonia is converted into nitrates, NO, and nitrites, NO, which are more readily absorbed by plants. This process involves two key groups of bacteria: ammonia oxidizing bacteria, AOB, and nitrite oxidizing bacteria, NOB. AOB, such as nitrosomonas, convert ammonia into nitrites, while NOB, such as nitrobacter, further convert nitrites into nitrates. Nitrification is essential for soil fertility, as it provides plants with the nitrogen they need for growth. Denitrification. Denitrification is the process by which nitrates and nitrites are converted back into nitrogen gas, N, and released into the atmosphere. This process helps close the nitrogen cycle loop and prevents the accumulation of excess nitrogen in the soil. Denitrifying bacteria, such as Pseudomonas and Clostridium, perform this transformation in anaerobic conditions, typically found in waterlogged soils or sediments. Denitrification is crucial for maintaining the balance of nitrogen in the environment. Ammonification. Ammonification, also known as mineralization, is the process by which organic nitrogen compounds, such as those found in dead plants and animals or in animal waste, are broken down into ammonia. This process is carried out by decomposer bacteria and fungi, such as Bacillus and Clostridium species. Ammonification releases ammonia into the soil, where it can be used in nitrification to provide plants with nitrogen. Symbiotic relationships. Many plants have developed symbiotic relationships with nitrogen-fixing bacteria to enhance their access to nitrogen. For instance, legumes, including beans and peas, form mutualistic relationships with rhizobium bacteria. The bacteria inhabit nodules on the plant roots and fix atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form, while the plant provides the bacteria with carbohydrates and a protected environment. This relationship benefits both parties and improves soil fertility. Impact on soil health. Bacteria's role in the nitrogen cycle has significant implications for soil health and agricultural productivity. By fixing nitrogen and converting it into forms accessible to plants, bacteria enhance soil fertility and support crop growth. However, excessive use of nitrogen fertilizers can disrupt this balance, leading to problems such as soil acidification and water pollution. Understanding bacterial processes helps in managing soil health and reducing environmental impacts. Role and ecosystem functioning. Bacteria involved in the nitrogen cycle contribute to the functioning of ecosystems by maintaining nitrogen availability and cycling it through different forms. Their activities support plant growth, influence soil structure, and affect the overall nutrient dynamics of ecosystems. Healthy bacterial communities are essential for sustaining biodiversity and ecosystem resilience. Conclusion. Bacteria play a pivotal role in the nitrogen cycle, facilitating processes such as nitrogen fixation, nitrification, denitrification, and ammonification. Their activities ensure the continuous availability of nitrogen in forms usable by plants, supporting ecosystem health and agricultural productivity. Understanding these bacterial roles underscores their importance in environmental management and sustainable practices.